We're attempting night 5 of Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I am not fond of this game myself. It brings me pain. But, hey, I want views. And I want to make videos because it's fun to make videos, so we're gonna play the game. Oh, God. I got pretty close last time, but Foxy. Hello?
Oh, hey, good job, night 5.
Thanks.
Hey, keep a close eye on things tonight, okay?
Okay, why?
From what I understand, the building is on lockdown. No one is allowed in or out,
Yeah.
especially concerning any previous employees. When we get it all sorted out, we may move you to the day shift.
Okay, why?
This is the case available.
Oh.
We don't have a replacement for your shift yet, but we're working on it. We're going to try to contact the original restaurant owner. I think the name of the place was Red Bear's Family Diner or something like that. Closed for years, though. I doubt we'll be able to track anybody down. We'll just get through one more night. Hang in there. Good night.
Alright. Oh. Two. Three. Gone. Oh gosh. Oh, Foxy almost got me. Crafty he is. Sneaky he is. Oh, is that awesome? Ugh. Oh look, it's the reason you gooners play this game. Okay, so it should be good. 3, 4. Yeah. Oof. That was close. That was close. Oof. Bad. Gosh! God, that is so horrible. Not this thing again. I'm not gonna have time to take care of Foxy. Goodness. You know what? I think I'm doing pretty good. It's 3 AM. Oh, that took like a whole half second. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really bad. Okay, bro. Okay. There's not really a whole lot I can do in such a scenario. Ugh. Options. Controller size. Oh. I would say 120 is good, yeah. What about other options? Perspective effect on, vibration on, display mode, full, obviously. God, looks so horrible. Okay, everything's good. God, I hate this game. I should probably turn my phone's volume down because... Oh, I need some noise. That should be good. I should also talk louder. Is that good? That's a little too loud for me. Like, I'm putting effort in, and I should not need effort to talk. I haven't been jump scared by the puppet yet, except for that one time. I probably forgot to record it. Oh, already. Get out of here. Go. Go. Thing will not give up. Seriously, man? Oh, Firefox is not there, so I guess that's good. How does Balloon Boy move so fast? How? Oh, I'm so fried. I'm so dead. It's actually crazy. Someone's in my office now? No? Whoa! Foxy better be gone. They're both gone. That's a good thing, I guess. I haven't been jump scared by Mingle yet. I haven't been jump scared by... I think I've been jump scared by Freddy. Or... Withered Freddy. I haven't been jump scared by either of the Freddys. I wonder if Shadow Freddy's like an actual thing, or if it's just like a random happening. Okay, all is well, so, oh. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by this lovely guy. That's annoying. Flash Foxy. Wait, no, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. I need to flash him with a flashlight. That somehow sounds worse. I'm disgusted. Alright. This is great, actually. That doesn't look so great anymore. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, and Foxy too. That's so annoying. You don't even know. All good. I'll get on this front. I'll get on this front. I'll get on this front. You know what? It's gonna be okay. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. Nothing bad, nothing bad, nothing bad. I need to flash here. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm just gonna close the window. I'm just gonna completely close the window and I'm gonna open it back up. And I'm gonna restart because I don't want to get jump scared, man. Alright. So, provided I don't get caught lacking like I did. I think you have, like around a second or so, maybe half a second to respond. You gotta be really fast about it. And sometimes I'm not. And then I get cooked. So, we're just gonna not do that, and we're gonna be smart about this time. Okay. Alright. Now the call. It's good.
Oh, hey, good job, night 5. Hey, keep a close eye on things tonight, okay? From what I understand, the building is on lockdown. No one is allowed in or out, you know, especially concerning any previous employees. When we get it all sorted out, we may move you to the day shift. The position just became available. We don't have a replacement for your shift yet, but we're working on it. We're going to try to contact the original restaurant owner. I think the name of the place was Red Bear's Family Diner or something like that. It's closed for years, though. I doubt we'll be able to track anybody down. Just get through one more night. Hang in there. Good night.
Nothing there. Good. Okay, I have oh, already. That's not a good sign. This game relies very heavily on audio cues. Even more so than... Oh, I would have been kicked if there was actually something there in front of me. Even more so than FNAF 1. And it's like driving, almost. You have to balance a bunch of different things that you have to do at once. Bonnie, not a problem. Oh, Mangle too? Okay. This might be some semblance of okay. Ugh. It's 2 AM and it's clear on all fronts. Oh, not that. we restart again. Because I'm not dealing with that. Okay. Okay. Continue. It's kind of nice having the call. It's just something to listen to, aside from the ambience of whatever.
Oh, hey, good job, Night 5. Hey, keep a close eye on things tonight, okay? From what I understand, the building is on lockdown. No one is allowed in or out, you know, especially concerning any previous employees. When we get it all sorted out, we may move you to the day shift. The position just came available.
Yeah, because the guy died.
We don't have a replacement for your shift yet, but we're working on it. We're going to try to contact the original restaurant owner. I think the name of the place was Red Bear's Family Diner or something like that.
Oh, man.
It's closed for years, though. I doubt we'll be able to track anybody down. We'll just get through one more night. Hang in there. Good night.
I wonder, is that really, like, when they pop up in your office, is that really how big the animatronic characters are? Because I know in, like, the 80s with Chuck E. Cheese, they were probably huge, because they have to fit in all that machinery. But, I mean, come on. I'm just gonna end the video here. I'm not gonna end the video, actually. I don't want to end the video. Maybe if I'm not stupid, then I might actually do it. I hate this game.
Oh, hey, good job, Night 5. Hey, keep a close eye on things tonight, okay? From what I understand, the building is on lockdown. No one is allowed in or out, you know, especially concerning any previous employees. When we get it all sorted out, we may move you to the day shift. The position just became available. We don't have a replacement for your shift yet, but we're working on it. We're going to try to contact the original restaurant owner. I think the name of the place was Red Bear's Family Diner or something like that. It's closed for years, though. I doubt we'll be able to track anybody down. So just get through one more night. Hang in there. Good night.
Just until you hear the audio cue of the vent thumping. Oh! God. Yeah, no. 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 See, this is what I'm talking. You know what? I'm gonna do something else in the same video. I know, revolutionary. I'm gonna also attempt FNAF 1 Night 6 in this video. Alright. 6 at night. Gosh. See, this is familiar to me. Balance a million different things, do you? Maybe you have to balance two things, but you still have to worry about the building running out of power. What about that friend that we only used once? conserve a little power by just not using that light. I think we're doing really well. Laps again. On the second floor. It's fine. It doesn't matter where we use this water right range by keeping it normal. And it's that's just my opinion. No, I didn't. That was just a good way so you just have to do that. That's wonderful. Isn't that just so awesome? Beautiful. Oh! Boom. Oh, we're gonna I can just go Whoa! 4 AM and I got 20% left. That's really good. Camera. Light. No. Light. Camera. Light. Camera. Light. Camera. Light. Camera. Light. Camera. Something more than that. That. Here we go. Now we can swim in power more. That's extra, not good. If we can just make it to 5 AM and just outlast the whole power. might make it. Yeah, because Freddy's sick in just a few seconds. And hopefully the song goes all the way. I think that's like 2 solid seconds. Maybe 5-ish? More like 5 seconds. Yeah, actually, we're not winning this. We're not. Yeah, we're not. Bye, guys. Hey, we were really close there. We were really close there. I'm not doing Night 5 on FNAF 2 again, but I will try this Night 6 a few more times. I like the style of this game a lot better. We don't have any Balloon Boy to deal with. We don't have any Foxy to deal with. That's not true. We don't have any Mangle to deal with. We don't even get a phone call on Night 6. Best thing we can do is just wait for it. Shut the door, he just gets it. I do wonder. What was if you worked out unwither? Animatronics, you would not be given the original animatronics. Bonnie face back on Bonnie. If you repair Freddy, it will look probably a lot different. And if you repair with Chica, well, it would not look like Chica at all. Bill would not be on the face, but rather on the part of the head, which would be mega weird. 65 at 1 a.m. Bad, that is very, very bad. I'm not doing that. 100% at 3 a.m. That's so awesome. See? I pulled through. Oh, not good, not good. I could really use that too. A few times. I have almost none, and yet I still use it all the time. That was a lot of power that I could have used. Seriously. I'm just... Are we serious? Oh, and I'm gonna pause. Okay, obviously I did not pass the 6th night. I mean, we could get a phone call on the 6th night, really, but we don't. So the best thing we can do is just wait. Just wait. I'm smiling, like, a lot right now. You can't see it because I'm not face camming. But... I'm not smiling anymore. Gosh. Well, that's unfortunate. Happy Men's Mental Health Month. I think that kind of takes priority over Pride Month. I mean, I swear, Pride Month? So Veterans Day, fight for the country. You managed to come out alive. Just gonna do it. Memorial, it's the same thing. That's what I'm gonna say. That's actually crazy. Actually didn't rob any of my power. Yeah, I think Men's Mental Health Month kind of takes priority over because men's mental health is not great. I think the male suicide rate is like female suicide rate. So that's really not a good sign. People are clever, and you know what a high suicide rate, higher suicide rate, so gender more than means. And it doesn't help that Twitter exists. Just all of Twitter is bad for everyone's mental health, really. Men and women. No, Twitter is bad. Well, I guess it's called X now. Does anyone actually call it X? I guess Elon calls it X, but, like, his opinion doesn't matter. That's just one word. Okay, I think I'm doing pretty good. Key is to just keep an eye on Foxy. Make sure Foxy doesn't play right. Because Foxy steals some of your power. Oh, I'm doing so well. I swear, why aren't they bolted to the floor? Oh, I guess it's because their servos lock up if they turn on. Like, you could just leave them on. You could just leave them on during the day, but still have them bolted to the floor. Oh, we are doing so well. We are crushing this. That's a good sign. It's lasting a while. Come on! Okay. Okay. I'm really mad right now. God. I'm just gonna end the video there, because I don't feel like, I didn't succeed in either of the things I did, but I do hope you got entertained out of that video. Like, subscribe, whatever, do the things. Have a great day. Jesus loves you. Bye.